Hey everyone, want to delete a Google Analytics property? In this video, I'll show you how to remove a Google Analytics property step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the account that contains the property you want to delete. Now open the Admin Asterisk section from the bottom left corner of your Google Analytics dashboard. Next, choose the property you want to remove from the Property Selection menu. Before deleting it, review the property details and make sure you no longer need the data. I mean, deleting a property moves it to the trash, and it may be permanently removed after the retention period. Now open Property Settings and select the option to move the property to the trash. Confirm that you want to delete the property and complete the process. After deletion, the property will appear in the trash section, where you may be able to restore it before it is permanently removed. If you are sure you no longer need the property, wait for the retention period to end for permanent deletion. Finally, check your analytics account and remove any unused tracking connections or integrations related to the deleted property. And that's how to delete a Google Analytics property. By removing old or unused properties, you can keep your analytics account organized and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.